Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share another Filipino recipe, the Bibingka Malagkit. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 1 cup white sugar, 2 cups glutinous rice, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 cups of butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the topping, we will need 1 can of coconut milk and 1 cup of dark brown sugar. To start, add in the glutinous rice in the rice cooker, rinse it with water, drain it well, and add in the 2 cups of water and let it cook. Once cooked, set this aside. Now, grease the dish that is lined with banana leaves with butter, or you can also use coconut oil or just cooking oil. Then, set this aside. In a pan over medium heat, add in the coconut milk, give it a stir, then add the white sugar and the salt and let it simmer for a few minutes. After a few minutes, add in the glutinous rice, stir and cook them together until the liquid is absorbed and the mixture becomes stiff. Once the mixture becomes stiff, remove it from the heat and transfer it onto the baking dish lined with banana leaves. And using a spatula, flatten it evenly. Then, set this aside. Then, in a pan over medium heat, add the coconut milk, give it a stir, and then add the brown sugar, stir them together and let it simmer and cook them until it becomes thick. And once it's thick, remove it from the heat and pour it on top of the glutinous rice. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. After baking, let it completely cool before slicing and serving. And here's our finished product! Bibingka Malagkit is sweet, sticky, and delicious. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for watching, and if you have any recipes that you want to see in this channel, comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!